Hey guys, how to delete contacts on iPhone. Apple keeps it clean and consistent, so the method barely changes. Method 1, okay, you can go ahead and open up your contact, tab the contact you want to delete, hit edit at the top right, or tap the contact, top right, tap edit at the top right, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna find delete contact, hit it, and double click or double tap to confirm you want to delete this contact. Method 2, which doesn't work, unfortunately, Apple still refuses a mass delete option. But here's a workaround. What you gotta do on the list, what you gotta do, just select the name and switch or swipe left. And that way you're gonna be able to delete the contact fast, right? Or you go ahead to your phone and do the same thing, right? Like delete and delete, right? But this is only like for people who reached out, not for your essentially like your contacts or whatever, right? So swipe left, and it works on most, not like not all iOS versions, but latest one for sure work. Latest one actually work. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.